This is the brand new Anamorphic Arcana series from DZOFILM.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hey everybody, Graham Ayler-Sheldon here from CineD.com. We're back at NAB 2026 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here at the DZO booth and I'm joined by Suzanne from DZOFILM. Suzanne, I have three focal lengths in front of me from the Arcana series. What can you tell me about the Arcana line of lenses?
Sure. Arcana lines currently we have three different focal lengths, 32, 45, and 75. They're all a consistent T2.1. Besides that, they have a very consistent weight and size. They're all at around 700 grams, so you can put them on the running 4D as well.
Very cool. And these are 1.5 squeeze anamorphics, right?
Mm-hmm. In fact, I would say it's a hybrid anamorphic. It is 1.5 squeeze ratio, but can also deliver the bokeh character close to 2x.
Interesting. What other things can you tell me about the character of the Arcana series? I mean, what do the flares look like? Yeah, just describe the look for me.
Sure, of course. About the Arcana series, we adopted the front anamorphic structure, which is rarely seen in this affordable anamorphic. They are more often seen in some high-end anamorphic lenses. The most obvious advantages of the front anamorphic is that they can deliver more expressive and dynamic flarings. For the coating, we learned from our powerful anamorphic, we also use neutral coating. That means you can change and achieve different kind of colors of flarings depending on the lights.
So depending on the light source you're filming, it carries on that flare character. That's very, very cool. What about sharpness all the way open, or anything else what about you get that oval bokeh?
It can deliver close to a 2 tons oval bokeh, and from the center to the edge, the resolution is very, very good when you compare to other anamorphic lenses in the same class.
And then what about price point? Does it come as a set? Can you buy them individually? How does that work?
We provide two options. You can buy it individually at the price of around $1,099 US. Besides that, they also come into a group of three lenses at $2,899 US with the case.
With the case, anything else included with the case, or is it the case plus the three lenses?
Case we together with the three lenses.
Very cool. What about availability? Are these shipping now?
They're already on the shelf and started to ship.
Okay, what about different mount types? I see that we have PL here. Any other mounts that we can expect?
Currently only PL mount available, but you also can adapt them to different mirrors mount through the adapters. In the near future, probably we will have the EF mount, but currently we only have PL so far.
Understood. And what about filter diameter at the front? Is it a unified front diameter? I see we have 0.8 pitch gears on the side here, but what about the filter options?
The filter diameter is 77 millimeters, just the standard one.
And just the thread end style?
Yes.
Perfect. Well, I guess you could add a matte box as well if you wanted to. But okay, well, that's it for us here talking about the Arcana series from DZOFILM. If you'd like to see more videos just like this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and have a good rest of your day. Bye, everybody.